beginners, I said funds are the right route. No need to select funds, no need to select stocks. Buy index funds and Nifty ETF, for instance. Now, what kind of returns would you have got if you did this? Nifty, this is total return index. There's a difference between Nifty that you see, which is only a price change. But if you bought the shares of the Nifty companies, you would be getting dividends as well. And you would be reinvesting the dividends, hopefully. So the return that you get not only from the price change, but from the dividend as well, is called total return. It is capital appreciation plus dividend, both tax-free. Nifty total return index would have given you almost 21%. This is annualized return from June 2003 to May 2015, which is about 12 years. 12 years, 21% compound. This is one of the great periods of investing. This is not going to be replicated in future, so don't go by this. But you would have a choice of buying Nifty. If you bought Nifty ETF, you will get a return which is close to total return index. Or you could buy ICICI Prudential Index Fund, which came pretty close to the TRI, UTI Index Fund, BSL, and so on and so forth. As you go down, the returns are a little different from the index, because either they try to optimize, which means instead of getting fully invested with Nifty stocks, they try to keep 15% in cash. They say that if there are redemptions, we have to pay out and so on. So the returns will vary. Some of them, like LIC Nomura, even buy non-Nifty stocks. So not only do they try to time the market, they buy non-Nifty stocks, and the results are pretty bad. So if you're buying index fund as a beginner, it's wonderful. Buy Nifty ETF or buy one of the top 2 index funds, and this is roughly has been the return for the last 12 years. It will not be as good in future. We will certainly get about 12 to 14% over the next decade or so, all tax-free. And the beauty about this is that you just buy that fund and forget about it. You don't need to change. You don't need to pick stocks or decide on which funds and so on. For those who are interested, choose from top performing funds. That is only large cap and only mid cap. Large cap includes equity, diversified, multi-cap, all different flavors and things like that, and a little bit of mid cap. So you probably would have 30% or 40% mid cap and the rest in large cap, and that's it. Nothing else is needed. You need to choose between this, of course, but as a category, eliminate 90%. Not 80-20 principle, 90-10 principle is in finance. 90% are irrelevant or harmful, or both. Only 10% is good. You need to pick from there.